Okay, here's the next slide in the series. And I'm going to go over this real quickly because Miss Tanja Walls-Davis, when she's reading this, is not speaking what these slides clearly state. It states that the Department of Public Works managed the cemeteries up until 1986. While Public Works did manage it, and then in 1986 they gave it to the Parks Department, the cemetery division at one point, post 1856, when the city acquired Oakwood Cemetery, used to be its own standalone department. Public Works says had 26 full-time employees, all grounds personnel, which means they had no administrative people, which does not make any sense at all, and that 15 of those were seasonal, meaning that during the winter months when the grounds were not growing, when the grass wasn't growing, that those employees would be not working. It says that Intercare managed it from 1990 to 2013. That is absolutely true. But notice they don't tell you how many employees Intercare had. They come down to the Parks Department and says it manages the cemeteries. Yes, they got it on April the 1st of 2013. They assumed management because we'll get into that with another video. A cemetery management team was established to handle administration. They have 21 full-time employees, 6 administrative, and 15 grounds with 5 seasonal. So we used to have 26 over here. Now we have 15. We used to have 15 seasonal, and we have 5. The reality was Intercare had about 8 grounds people. And they had about 4 or 5 office staff managing the whole thing. Listen to what she's going to say about that. Of course, they do maintain over 200 plus acres, and then there's their average. Let's listen.
Cemetery operations started out under Public Works. At that time, Public Works managed all of the 5 municipal cemeteries, and they ended in 1986. At that time, they had 40 full-time employees.
40 full-time employees. Clearly states 26 right here.
After that, Intercare started the management of all of the city municipal cemeteries from 1990 to 2013.
Again, note, she doesn't talk about the manpower required during the Intercare period.
Currently, City of Austin Parks and Recreation Department manages the cemeteries, and we operate the cemeteries with less than half of the amount of staff that Public Works did.
Less than half the amount of staff. 26 would be 13. They do it with 21. Ms. Davis states that currently they operate with half of the staff that Public Works did. They operate with 21 full-time employees. Public Works had 26. 21 is not half of 26. It's just not true.
We currently have 20 full-time employees. We have 15 grounds maintenance and 5 seasonals. And City of Austin took over cemeteries April 1st, 2013.